Do you charter often, or at least 2 to 3 times a year? Want to own a yacht but don't have the time to take care of it? Then our Yacht Ownership Program is the next step to own a yacht worry-free. With over 50 years experience, the Moorings and Sunsail Yacht Ownership Programs offer you the chance to own a yacht in some of the world's most beautiful destinations, enjoying use of your yacht for up to 12 weeks a year in our worldwide bases with no hassle. Our standard contracts typically last 5 to 6 seasons, and we'll take care of all the management, maintenance, operating costs, and docking fees. Our idyllic locations include bases in the Caribbean, Mediterranean, UK, Indian Ocean, Southeast Asia, and the South Pacific, and we offer the option to use equivalent sister ships or upgrade to a larger model. We offer 2 great yacht purchase options to suit you. Ownership Program number 1 means you purchase the yacht at the start and receive guaranteed revenue each month that will cover your monthly loan payment. This contract runs for 5 seasons in the Caribbean, or 6 seasons in the Mediterranean or exotics. At the end of your program, you can keep your yacht and sail away, sell your yacht through our in-house brokerage service, or trade and start a new program. Ownership Program number 2 means you pay 45% of the retail price of the yacht and receive no income during the program. At the end of the program, you can make a purchase payment of 20% and take clear title of the yacht, or you can take a guaranteed cash buyback of 20% and simply walk away. Contact us and see how the Moorings and Sunsail Yacht Ownership Programs are the better way to own.